Hello, today we will guide you through how to change candle color in GoCharting. To begin, open GoCharting and head to the Trading Hub. This is the main area where you can access the charting platform and work with your market view. If you are starting from the home page, look for the trading section so you can move into the chart workspace. Once you are in the Trading Hub, click on Launch GoCharting Free. This will open the charting interface where you can view price action and customize how the chart looks. If the platform takes a moment to load, just wait until the full chart is visible before moving on. It is easier to make visual changes once the chart is fully displayed and responsive. After the chart opens, check the graph and find any candle on the chart. To open the candle style settings, double-click directly on a candle. Make sure you click on the candle itself rather than another part of the interface. This action brings up the settings panel that controls the appearance of the candlestick chart. If nothing happens the first time, try again with a clear double-click on one of the candles. In the settings window, you can change the colors for several candle elements. This includes the main candle color, the candle border, the wick, and the halfback setting, along with any related visual options available in that panel. This is useful if you want a cleaner chart, a theme that matches your preferences, or stronger contrast to make bullish and bearish candles easier to read. Take a moment here to review each color setting carefully so the chart looks the way you want. Small visual changes can make a big difference when you are analyzing price movement for longer periods. When you are done making your changes, simply click the X button to close the settings window. The changes will automatically apply to the graph, so you do not need to complete any extra confirmation step. Once the panel closes, you should immediately see the updated candle colors on your chart. If needed, you can always reopen the same settings by double-clicking a candle again and adjusting the colors further until everything looks right. That's all it takes to customize candle colors in GoCharting and make your chart easier to read and more comfortable to use.